starting at the 1 hour, 17 minute, and 10-second mark.
I'm going to overrule the objection and allow the evidence. But
Did you witness him fire a shot into Mr. Huber's chest?
I did.
So when you come upon the defendant at this point, do you recall what you were holding in your hands?
I do.
What were you holding?
In my right hand, I had my Glock pistol, and in my left hand, I had my cell phone.
What was going through your mind at this particular moment?
That I was going to die.
please don't talk about the case during the break. Read, watch, or listen to any of the account of the trial. We'll see you in a little bit.